Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. My bad. All right, cool. Had to start over. Was really good, LeSBP Trading Familia. Buenos dias, bonjour, bom dia, sal bono, guten abend, como va, masake, aftab. Thank you all for tuning in. So today we're just talking really short about the futures margin rate increase. Excuse me. Couldn't get that out. So today we're going to be looking at the futures margin rate for Tradestation. That's whom I trade with. And talking about why I think they actually increased that trading margin rate. The basically reduced trading margin rate is what I'm going to be talking about today. So if you look here at the market, basically, or this is the reason why I think it doesn't have to be the real reason. I don't know exactly what the real reason is. But if you look at the market year to date, not year to date, if you look at the market from its yearly high, which is just started, it's only March. But if you look at that high, right about here at like 6166, somewhere along that lines, and then you go down to where the bottom currently is, it's 10.25% down. Now, there has been a vast, quick sweep, basically, of where the market highs and lows have been, and over the last year or two, where it's been and stuff like that. But if you just look at this number right here, 10.25% negative, that's a big fall. So I'm guessing they increased the margin basically to kind of protect their traders in a sense, or maybe even protect themselves. I don't know for sure exactly, but I just wanted to talk about that futures margin rate because currently right now it's at about 423 and 50 cents. If you don't know, this is what you need, and I trade with Tradestation, so it could be different for you, but this is what I need necessarily in order to trade on a Tradestation account for MES. I only trade MES right now currently, so whatever you trade with, you'll have to look that up. Whatever futures broker, you'll have to look their rates up and stuff like that. But the reduced intraday margin rate for me currently trading MES or the S&P 500 is $423.50. So, with that being said, we'll probably have to change. What's the word I want to look for? We'll probably have to change the titles of our trades and stuff like that during our live streams to probably somewhere roughly around 800 or 900 to 2000 or 800 900 to 3000 or whatever, because of the simple fact that I will no longer be able to trade $200 to 1000 if that intraday initial stays exactly where it's at. So for me, I'm probably gonna have to put a little bit. Well, not probably. I will have to put a little bit more money into the account. Um, it's nobody's fault but mine because of the simple fact that I could have honestly been, at that point already where I wouldn't have to add more money and all this other shit, and I wouldn't have to worry about I wouldn't have to worry about adding to the account or anything like that or whatever. But your boy has been taking some L's left, right, sideways, up, down, front, and back. So currently, right now, we're gonna make that change. Or sorry, we're going to add on to the account so that we can make sure that's what we're looking for. So we can make sure that we actually are trading within the intraday initial. I'd never want to start off with exactly the intraday initial. If you don't already know, you can get margin called and stuff like that. And I don't want to be margin called. So I probably try to start off with 900 only because it's about a little more than double of what 423.50 is. So yeah, that'll be it. If I didn't already tell you, my account right now is currently at 264 and 85 cents after that heinous loss on Friday. And just look at the balance. You can see that we had $707 going into Friday. Then we took like a 400 and something dollar loss that day. Huh? Then we took like a 400 and something dollar loss right there. So yeah, we did horribly that day, and it didn't even have to be that bad. Okay, yeah, yeah, it didn't have to be that bad at all. So currently, right now, yeah, that's what we're looking at. The market gave us a really, really, really good trade today. Actually, gave us two good trades today, and we couldn't take either one of them. I tried to set up. We go to my history from today. Now, this is me thinking, rejected. Yeah, there we go. Well, Just go to all. That's fine. This is me thinking that I could trade, on my normal day, my normal entries. I believe it was 167. The intraday initial was 167. Well, now because it was a little bit higher at 398, if you can look at that, it says order requires 398 and 25 cents purchasing power. Well, that's because it had went up. So we weren't able to take either one of these trades. I tried to set this up right at 9 o'clock because basically I was going to get in the sell limit at 5,628 and 25 cents, and then I kind of moved it up just in case it had spiked a little bit. But yeah, that didn't happen. So kind of sucks. But at the same time, we got to have the right amount of money in the account. It's something that I talked about last time as well. You got to set yourself up for success. So in order for me to do so, got to have more money in the account. That's really about it. That's all I wanted to talk about today. It kind of sucks that we missed this very, very good trade. This was a $300 trade right here that we ended up missing out on today, because we didn't have the current amount of money that we needed. And we only got 263, 260, 264 in the account. But we'll have to get that up. So yeah, appreciate y'all. Thanks. Hopefully you have a good day. I'll be putting that money in the account probably Friday or sometime early next week. Depends on when I get paid and stuff like that, because I have to use my 9 to 5 money for this. So yeah, we'll be trying to add it up to roughly about 900. That's all I got. All right, y'all. Thanks. Hope you have a good day. Hope you had a great day, great trading day, all that good stuff. Peace.